the Old Auction House, we offer a wide range of art and craft experiences, including workshops, galleries, different courses and classes to try, 4 on-site workshops, plus handmade gifts, art and craft supplies, and 2 different galleries. So our classes run from anything from 2-hour silver jewellery session all the way through to a day or 2 learning glass arts. You can come in, learn a new skill, create a project and have something finished by the end of the session. We have 2 different gallery spaces and aim to exhibit emerging and mid-career artists, give them that opportunity to get a gallery show on a wall, get the experience and then grow their careers. Our shop aims to have handmade stuff that you can purchase or inspire you to make your own. We only stock supplies that our team knows how to use and our team loves so that we can always be available to tell people about them. If you're coming to Kyneton, make sure you drop in, check out the art and see if you can learn something new that will inspire your creativity.